Replacing the key fob battery in your 2022-2024 BMW 3 Series, 330i, 330e, M340i is a simple DIY task. This video will guide you through each step, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. The process is largely unchanged from previous years, and with readily available CR2032 batteries, it's a cost-effective solution to maintain your key fob's functionality. Your BMW 3 Series key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery provides the necessary 3 volts for the fob's functions. Using the correct battery type is crucial. The fob is designed specifically for CR2032 dimensions. Incorrect types like CR2025 are too thin and can cause electrical issues or damage the circuit board. CR2032 batteries are standard and widely available. You can find them at most retailers, auto parts stores, and online marketplaces for just a few dollars each. A CR2032 battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years with normal daily use, powering keyless entry, locking, and start functions. Usage like leaving vehicle lights on can shorten the lifespan. You'll need a few simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob without scratching it, and the new CR2032 battery. Optional items include gloves to keep the fob clean and a magnifying glass for detailed work. Locate the small seam or button on the side of your key fob. Press the release button if present, or gently use the pry tool to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it open to avoid damage. Note the orientation of the old battery with the positive side facing up. Use a non-conductive tool to carefully pop it out without damaging the circuit board. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring it's securely seated in the compartment. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working, so always double-check the positive side is up. Now snap the fob back together, making sure it's fully closed and secure. Test the fob's functions like door unlock and lock, as well as start and stop. If the fob doesn't respond, a reset might be needed by holding the unlock button for 10 seconds. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, start with a reset. Hold the unlock button for 10 seconds to clear any temporary issues. If the reset doesn't resolve the problem, access your vehicle's iDrive menu. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Key for reprogramming options. Especially for 2022 models, which may require a firmware update post-replacement, contact a BMW dealer for professional reprogramming. The automotive key industry is evolving rapidly. BMW's iDrive 8.5 includes app-based diagnostics for key fob battery levels, allowing remote monitoring. Digital keys and smartphone integration are increasing, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. Expect battery-free key fobs using RFID or energy harvesting tech in the future. Remember to dispose of used batteries responsibly.